mga kadora! Kakain kami ano ba to? Nilutuan ko yung alaga ko ng itlog at may kanin kasamang carrots na maliliit. Kasi tamad siyang kumain ng mahabang carrots. Say hi, baby!
Hi.
Tapos kakain ako ng kamoteng pampauto. At kakainin ko yung sobra na pritong itlog na may ham. Yan. Kain kami ng aking alaga. Kain na, be! Ketchup?
Yes.
Ay. On the top?
Everywhere, even on the rice.
What? Like that. It's yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Di ba have a song like that? May camera ako doon sa gilid. Kita niya. Not. Yeah. Kuya Matt. Try the rice with carrots. What happened? Matt, Asen. I feed you again?
No.
for mommy, di ba?
Hmm?
Ito tissue for mommy. This one. This is good to use. Ay, made in China.
So?
Yeah.
So?
Yeah, nothing. I just want to say.
Woohoo!
The rice is good. I eat rice again. I say I eat kamote.
Jalen, how are you gonna go there? Okay.
Sabi ko, kakain ako ng kamote.
I know it's a little bit.
Pero,
Like that.
napakain ako ng kanin. Pero kakain pa rin ako. You know what is this?
Mm.
What?
The purple potato.
Hmm?
Purple potato.
Not potato. Sweet.
Potato.
Sweet potato. You know? If you eat this, you always put. You want to put? So you better eat one. Ulit kita yung pupo. Yung pupo na ito out ba? Then, after. After. Mat, yung sabi nila, pag kumain ka ng kamote, lagi kang uutot. Gaganda to sa katawan, di ba? Pamirenda ko mamaya rin. So, sa kape. Hmm? Diba? Pero siya, nilutuan ko siya ng kanin. Nilagyan ko ng carrots yung kanin. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng chicken liquid. Mas malasa. Ay, iba pa yung kulay niya. Naging parang yellow. Wala no more ikbe.
I don't know. Who knows?
Ang kamote. So, yun na nga mga kadora. Kakain lang kami ng aking alaga. Still watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like and share and click the bell button. Thank you guys. Say bye-bye, be.
Bye.
No power. Say bye-bye. How to bye-bye Chinese, be? Ciao la.
It's also bye bye.
Okay, bye. Ciao la.